Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and I'm going to show you how to fix the battery drain. So, how to fix this battery drain? At first you need to enter your phone's settings. Here, now scroll down till you see, where is that? I need to find it. Battery and device care. Now open battery. Now here, as you can see, we've got since last full charge and last 7 days. You need to find it, pardon me, not find it, you need to tap it, and here you will find applications that use the battery. Here we've got Google Play Services and Google Play Store, but it's my phone, which actually is almost after the setup. You need to take a look at the top one application in the list. Then you need to tap it. Take a look at average daily usage over the last 7 days. This dark blue is on screen, this light blue is off screen background activity. If you see that it's Messenger, for example, WhatsApp, Facebook, every application like that social media one is actually very bad, and we need to restrict this application. Go back, and go back, and again go back to the apps. Now find this application in the list. Let it be, for example, for me, Facebook. Once we are here, you need to tap here battery and tap restricted. Restrict battery usage while this application is running in the background. The app may not work as expected, notifications may be delayed, or of course there may be no notifications at all. So once we did it, your battery drain should be fixed. Do this with top 3 or top 4 applications in the list and it will be good. Of course, remember that if you did this to some application you really need, you may get no notifications, which I said earlier, but it's very important to remember that. Okay, so once you did it, we can go to the next thing. The next thing, uninstall the bloatware. Go to the apps pack again. Here, find applications that doesn't fit your phone. And what I mean by that, if you don't use, for example, Facebook, uninstall it. I know that it comes pre-installed, but I know that it doesn't often come pre-installed. But if it came to you pre-installed, and if you don't use Facebook, you can uninstall it by tapping this button right here. And it can be games, it can be everything. And how to detect it? It's not a third-party one. It is a third-party one, but pre-installed. And you can see uninstall button right here instead of disable. Okay, so once you uninstall all the bloatware, like for example it can be games like Candy Crush or something like that, we can go to the next thing. Open Play Store and here open the search bar. And yes, I know that you just uninstalled many applications, but not biometrics, but we need to install a new one which is used for diagnostics. Once you are here, open search, tap it twice. In the search bar you need to search for AQ battery, and it's actually really easy to manage all the things in the AQ battery applications because you need to just look for any red things. That's actually the clue of this whole application. Hit open, skip this, finish, tap this top red thing, open up settings, here battery, keep unrestricted, right here, go back, go back, go back. Here we've got, as you can see, 4 sections, from which only 3 are useful. The first one is charging, which is not that useful, but you can here take a look on the battery bar. Battery at 98% lasts for, and after a week of using or 2, you can see detailed information that are actually useful. If you see here anything red, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. The same with the discharging. As you can see here, we've got yellow, which is very, maybe not very bad, but it's quite strange. But the one it's orange, it doesn't matter yet. It should be red when it comes to be worried. So here we've got every single setting, and when it's red, it means that you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. And health, the most important one. Scroll down to this chart, and as I said, after a week or two, you should see here battery health. If it's below 80%, 85 maybe, or maybe 80, you should replace the battery. You should. And now, once we are after this, after the application, we need to restart the phone. Hold power and volume down buttons, tap restart and restart. And when it comes to technical issues that we can do, that's it. We don't get any other possibilities. That's it, bye.